This episode promotes the safe and proper use of resin-bonded abrasive cups, cones, plugs, and mounted points. Before viewing this video, watch episode 1 where we introduce the SPOT concept and discuss a safe work environment, personal protective equipment, and the proper care and inspection of abrasives and wire brushes. These abrasives are essential for metal fabrication and are often used in foundries, pipelines, and shipbuilding. When misused, they can be dangerous to the operator, co-workers, and equipment. Therefore, it is critical to select the correct product and use it properly for the job at hand. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations and local safety requirements when using these products. When using cups, cones, plugs, and mounted points, always keep SPOT in mind for safe and proper product operation, speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Speed and size. Be sure that the max RPM of the product is rated higher than the RPM rating of the power tool. Many electric angle grinders run at speeds well beyond what a cup is rated for, even though the product may fit on the tool with the proper guard installed. Remember, always check RPM ratings. Proper guarding is especially important. Type 11 cups require an adjustable grinding guard. These guards are deeper and must be adjusted as the product wears down. Consult the power tool manufacturer's recommendations on adjusting the guard properly. Be sure both the diameter and configuration of the product are suitable for the power tool in use. Never use an abrasive wheel that is too large for the tool in use. Pressure. Cups, cones, and plugs should not be over-tightened. This can risk pulling the threaded nut from the abrasive product. When installing cups, use the proper mounting flange to help distribute the tightening load. As you grind, do not bounce the abrasive into the workpiece. Let the weight of the power tool do the work. Engage the workpiece in a controlled manner and move the abrasive with a consistent motion. This will help dissipate heat and prevent discoloration of the workpiece. Cups are aggressive by nature, so begin with a pulling motion for more control and to reduce the chance of gouging the workpiece. Do not push the abrasive into the workpiece, as this will accelerate wear and may cause kickback. With cones, plugs, and mounted points, too much pressure could cause the tip to snap. If the product does not seem to have enough aggression, switch to a different formulation. Orientation. Cups are used at a 0 to 15 degree angle for optimal performance. Do not use the outer edge of the abrasive as a grinding surface. Due to the variety of cone, plug, and mounted point shapes, the best angle of approach will depend on the application. Choose the shape that best suits the application. Always grind on the front outer diameter of the abrasive. Avoid grinding with the middle or back of the abrasive, as this can prematurely wear out the product and cause it to fracture. Avoid grinding with the tip because the product will be hard to control. Time. Viewed from the side, cups transition from coarse to fine. When the coarse area of the cup has worn away, it's time to replace it. Cones, plugs, and mounted points become less effective as the diameter wears down and should be replaced. Remember the key factors under your control that limit the potential for injury when using cups, cones, and plugs: speed and size, pressure, orientation, and time. Think SPOT.